Hello everyone! So alam niyo na mga ma'am sir, meron naman tayong bagong announcement today. So this past few days, ayun nga, yung announcement na ibinaba ng Sitaw is about sa successful completion ng document submission and bank collaboration nito ng Sitaw. So for today's update naman, yes, kaninang umaga lang to, itong announcement na to. So regarding naman to sa latest progress ng ating disbursement plan. So, galing po ito sa HQ ng Sitaw. So, babasahin ko na lang po sa inyo yung announcement nila. So, ayan, sabi dito, since the bank agreement, if all transaction and agreement goes smoothly with the bank that we recently partnered with, the company account will be activated as soon as on Friday this week. So, itong Friday na. So, kaya ipag-pray natin na maging maayos yung lahat ng agreement and transaction with the new partnered bank ng Sitaw. So, para tuloy-tuloy na to. So, by this Friday, possible na ma-activate yung company account ng Sitaw. On which, at this point, the disbursement department will arrange and commence the disbursement plan accordingly. So, please relate to your designated account, especially if there are missing funds, unreflected transactions like withdrawals or freezing money to wallet balance transfers, deactivated emails, change emails, or TIN input problems so that when the disbursement plan recommences, okay, there will be less concern to deal with. So, hanggat maaga pa daw po, o hanggat maaari, yung mga concerns natin, katulad niyan, nung mga nakaraan, nung nakareceive tayo ng mga complaint regarding sa mga situation na ganito, like yung mga hindi nag-reflect yung kanilang withdrawal, hindi nag-reflect sa kanilang withdrawal history, but nagbawas na sa kanilang wallet balance. So, kailangan po natin itong mai-inform doon sa ating mga account specialist. Actually, doon sa grupo namin, merong mga concerns and may mga cases na ganito, like yung mga hindi nag-reflect sa kanilang withdrawal history. Ang problema namin ng brother ko is wala kaming makausap. Wala na kaming makausap doon sa GC ng partnership program. Actually, today, nag-send siya ng message regarding that kasi nga gusto rin namin i-follow up dahil may mga members kami na ganito yung concerns and gusto namin na as much as possible is ma-resolve kaagad habang maaga pa. So, bago ma-resume ulit yung ating disbursement plan. So, ayan, hoping na sana may matanggap na kaming response from the ES. Actually, I think nag-drop din ng message yung brother ko kay kila Sir Carl para to address nga kung anong gagawin ng mga members namin na na-encounter yung situation or yung problem na to na nabanggit. So, para naman kahit papaano is mabawasan yung wording ng ating mga members or yung ating mga kapwa sellers. And also yung mga TIN inputs problem, like mga hindi nakapag-upload ng kanilang TIN ID. So, ayan, siguro mas maganda isahang pasadahan na lang ng mga concerns, no, para isahang raise na lang din doon sa mga ES kung sino-sino o kani-kaninong mga account yung may mga problema or may mga na-encounter na ganitong mga situation or problem sa kanilang account. Next, if all of your freezing money have already transferred to your wallet balance, then please make the withdrawal request already. Okay? Malinaw po, kapag bumalik na lahat ng inyong pera sa inyong wallet balance from your freezing money, kung nasa wallet balance nyo na lahat, so pwede nyo na po yung i-withdraw. Okay? Make sure okay, ito, please take note of this. Make sure to take screenshots of before and after you make the transactions of changes within your Sitaw dashboard so that it will be easier for your designated account specialist to address and accommodate your concerns in case that problem arise. So, katulad nga din ng lagi kong sinasabi sa ating mga kapwa sellers o sa mga members natin, So, once na mag-request kayo ng withdrawal, so laging i-screenshot nyo muna before kayo mag-request. And after nyo makapag-request, much better na kuhaan nyo rin ng screenshot after ninyo makapag-request. Okay, next. Change in disbursement schedule and plan may or may not occur. Rest assured that CTAO is committed in returning the seller's funds. Okay? We thank you all for your patience, trust, and patronage even after all that happened with the company. We all hope to process all sellers' withdrawal requests as soon as much as we can. Thank you again and have a good day. So, yung announcement na to mga ma'am sir, mainit-init pa to kaninang morning. So, ayan, sabi ko, gagawan ko to ng content today. At least today, no, magawan ko and para naman ma-inform, yun nga, yung ating mga kababayan, dyan na mga sitaw sellers na wala ng mga AS o wala ng mga groups na sinasalihan. So, para kahit pa paano ma-update naman po kayo. So, yun lang mga ma'am sir, yung aking masishare na update sa inyo ngayon from HQ ng sitaw. So, by Friday, abangan natin, possible magkakaroon ulit ng announcement. Pero don't worry, gagawa tayo ng content para ma-inform kayong lahat. So, ayun mga ma'am sir, we hope na sana tuloy-tuloy na yung progress and itong good news na nangyayari kay Sitaw. Dahil sobrang tagal na at marami tayong nag-aantay na sana ma-solve na tong disbursement natin at matapos na. So, ayun lang mga ma'am sir. If you think na nakatulong ang video na to, please like and subscribe and hit nyo na rin po yung ating notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga bagong videos. So, yun lang mga ma'am sir. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye po!
At dahil rainy seasons na, you can try this umbrella, windproof na and waterproof pa. For only 224 pesos, kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Check out nyo na yan!